Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today I have two items from Moto1s to review for you. These are both found in Amazon. The first one, okay, and I'm wearing a glove here because I don't want to reveal the design I have on my nails just yet. But okay, so the two items that I have here, these are two separate things that you can purchase and I'll have the links down in the description bar below. So the first one being this case of iridescent glitters, very beautiful. They each come in individual, their own individual cases inside. They come in different shapes and sizes. So this is the pearlescent. I mean, they're very cool for creating that glass cut nail. Some of these are cut pre-shaped as diamonds. Some of them are triangles. You also have butterflies, some flowers, hexagons in different sizes, and I believe I also saw some clovers around here. Also included in the package is this nice sharp pair of tweezers. This cute little package here. Okay, so here they are. I managed to remove them and they come with a nice round or the nice plastic protector there. They're pretty sharp and they're nice for picking up the glitters, small glitters such as this one for placement. And yeah, things like these are always nice to have them in if you work with nail art. This is the foil kit. Let me go ahead and show you inside how this is packaged. There it is. Okay, so you have two cases. Let me go ahead and pull them out. This is a beautiful set, guys. It makes a nice gift kit for someone who's into nail art as well. Okay, before I remove the rest of what is in there, so here are the two cases of different styles and colors of foils. Let me go ahead and open them up. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, we have some here. Silver holographic. So on this one, you have somewhat of the water marble design. This one is very geometric, kind of probably the Aztec style. And we have some flowers, some leaves, snowflakes. And look at these are the flowers. I don't have any like these. I know these foils that I've seen lately being used, and I can't wait to use them. Gold and silver hollow circles, absolutely gorgeous. Then on the other in this case, we have some more brighter colors. This animal print, wow, gold, and then the flaky red and green. These will be cool for Christmas. This one looks like fireworks. Oh, it is coming out in the camera. Oh, yes. This one with the rainbow colors, and this one gradient from red to gold. Super cool. Look how bright those colors are. So yes, these are the little rolls. Let me go ahead and remove them, and as you can see how much you get more or less. I like the cases for storage. And then also included in here, you have, it seems like they have included a little freebie here. These are, I don't know if you can tell, the little stickers that you pull them out and they kind of have the flame cut to use on your nails. We have a little pamphlet. I can barely use my hands with this glove. Okay, and here you have instructions on how to use the foil glue for the application of the foils. And this is, okay, so let me go ahead and pull this out. Oh, I did see a $10 coupon. There it is. Very nice. If you go to their social media connections. So here you get two bottles. These bottles are 15 ml bottles. There it is. Two 15 ml bottles each of the nail foil glue gel. Awesome. Yes, so this is a glue gel. You must use a lamp to cure this for, it said 40 to 60 seconds. I cured it for 60 seconds in my lamp. And let me show you so you can see, you can tell this is kind of a medium viscosity there, and it applies really well. I'm really happy to have these two bottles. So it's not just the regular, this is meant for an application over gel polishes for your foils. So I'm going to go ahead, I will demonstrate on how I went about the application on one of those foils that I did on my left hand, and I hope you guys enjoy. guys, so there you saw how well these foils application went with this gel glue. I was absolutely very impressed with this, how nicely these came out. I mean, it's almost like just as soon as it touched that glue, it was already out of the foil paper. I just wanted to make sure I didn't miss any of the image because of the, you know, your nails being curved. Oh, it was so cool. I'm enjoying these a lot. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Modelones for sending me this gorgeous set to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.